Chapter 11. The Two Friends and the Bear. Learning Objectives. 1. Understanding the meaning of true friendship. 2. Never leave your true friend at the time of need. Warm up. A picture of beautiful forest scenery is given. Tick the things you can find in this picture of the garden. Mangoes, trees, water body, apples, the moon, grass, animals, daisy, clouds, birds. Two friends, Varun and Kunal, were passing through a forest. Suddenly, they saw a bear coming towards them. Varun quickly climbed a tree and hid in its branches. Kunal lay flat on the ground. The bear came up and smelled Kunal lying on the ground. Kunal held his breath and pretended to be dead. The bear soon left, for it is believed that bears do not touch a dead body. When Varun made sure that bear has gone quite far, he came down. With a broad smile, he asked his friend, "What did the bear whisper in your ear?" Kunal replied, "He gave me an advice. Never trust a friend who leaves you alone at the approach of danger." Varun felt ashamed to hear this. He learned a big lesson that we should help our friends in danger. Find meaning. Through moving in one side and out of the other side of. Suddenly, quickly and unexpectedly. Climbed, to move up towards the top of something. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Who is your best friend? Why do you like him? Share your feelings and thoughts about him. Tell him why you have chosen him as your friend. Also, ask why he chose you. Write your answers in your notebook. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Work in pairs. Ask your partner these questions and write down the answer for each of the following. What do you do? 1. Loudly. 2. Slowly. 3. Quickly. 4. Carefully. 5. Badly. 6. Quietly. 7. Smoothly. 8. Bravely. Note: these words are made by adding "ly" to other words. Example: loud plus "ly", loudly. Make up actions for each of them and act them out to your class. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Activities for different kinds of weather. What can you do with the type of weather shown? Check the pictures that show what you might do in that type of weather. Logical decision making. Save the earth. Drop litter around. Waste water. Save animal. Pollute the air. Use solar energy. Use plastic bag. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Whom did Varun and Kunal meet on their way? Answer: Varun and Kunal met a bear on their way. B. Why did Kunal lay flat on the ground? Answer: Kunal laid flat on the ground because the bear was coming towards Kunal. C. Why did the bear leave Kunal? Answer. The bear left Kunal because Kunal held his breath and pretended to be dead, and bear do not touch a dead body. Find their meanings. A. Broad. Having a distance larger than usual from side to side, or wide. B. Whisper. To speak quietly. C. Ashamed. Embarrassed. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. There were two friends, Varun and Kunal. B. Kunal lay flat on the ground. C. Varun climbed the tree. Take the right options. A. Varun was a true friend. B. The bear came and smelt Kunal. C. We should not help our friend in danger. Correct options are A. Varun was a true friend. B. The bear came and smelt Kunal. Conceptual understanding. Number these sentences in the correct order. Kunal held his breath and pretended to be dead. Varun learned a big lesson. Suddenly, they saw a bear coming towards them. The bear soon left. 1. Suddenly, they saw a bear coming towards them. 2. Kunal held his breath and pretended to be dead. 3. The bear soon left. 4. Varun learnt a big lesson. Communication. Writing skills. Write a few sentences about your best friend. What makes him or her special? Reading skills. Read the riddle given below and answer it. Let's see how smart you are. What is the type of animal? The Jungle Book had Balu. Smokey warns you about fires. There's also Winnie the Pooh. Listening and speaking. Work in groups of 4 or 5. Each child in the group will make a sentence about the given picture. Use the doing word is or are. Talk in the class who is your best friend and why do you think he is your best friend? Let's learn spellings. Fill in the missing letters to get meaningful words. Take clues from pictures. A. Tree. B. Friend. C. Bear. D. Forest. Let's learn grammar. Write short form for the following. Example: do plus not is equals to don't. Does plus not is equals to doesn't. A. Did plus not is equals to didn't. B. Can plus not is equals to can't. C. Could plus not is equals to couldn't. D. Shall plus not is equals to shan't. E. Would plus not is equals to wouldn't. F. Has plus not is equals to hasn't. G. Is plus not is equals to isn't. H. Are plus not is equals to aren't. Vocabulary time. Fill in the blanks with shorter form. A. I will not go to the party. I won't go to the party. B. She does not like ice cream. She doesn't like ice cream. C. You have not done your homework. You haven't done your homework. D. I do not make noise. I don't make noise. E. Renu is not a bad girl. Renu isn't a bad girl. F. Amit cannot ride a bicycle. Amit can't ride a bicycle.